Hi guys, welcome back to Beat Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my top skincare picks for winter this year. So winter can be a really trying time for your skin, and sometimes it's a really good idea to just incorporate a couple of different products that are going to help to keep your skin looking its best throughout the winter. Your skin is going to have to withstand being in the cold, dry air. It's going to have to withstand being in sort of heating inside, which is really drying for the skin. You may be going away on a trip, sort of a skiing trip, or going to get some winter sun. Again, it's going to be really harsh on your skin. So you might want to think about incorporating some products that are going to help protect you, to hydrate your skin, and just keep it looking radiant. So the first product that I want to share with you is actually a face oil, and this one is by a brand called Melixir, and they are a completely vegan company, an all-natural brand, so no toxic ingredients. They're also cruelty-free, and they're all organic ingredients, so very impressive on paper, but also really impressive when put into practice. I've been testing out this product at night time. They recommend using it at night. You could use it in the day as well. But it's a really great one to use alone as a really nourishing oil, or you can layer it under your moisturizer. And it's very, very lightweight. The star ingredient is this squalane that they talk about in the title. And if you're not familiar with what that is, it's actually a naturally occurring substance that you can find in the human body. So you can actually find it in human sebum, so in your sort of sweat, if you will. Sounds gross, but it's actually really important that that's already in your natural DNA anyway, and so it's very, very hydrating, a natural sort of emollient that's going to keep the skin looking nourished and hydrated. And so this is plant-derived squalane because it's a vegan brand, and it just really, really hydrates the skin, but it's also lightweight, so you can actually use this on oily skin. You can also use it on acne-prone skin. It's going to help to minimize the appearance of pores, so that's great if you have sort of open pores or suffer with acne. So I love that this one is good for all skin types. I have dry skin and it's perfect for me as well. Plus it gives you such a lovely radiant sort of glow to the skin. I don't know if you can see there. So I actually like applying this one with my makeup as well, but it is designed to be used at night time. So another really beautiful facial oil is this one by V Beauty Pure, and I've talked about V Beauty's facial oil before, but that was actually a couple of years ago, and since then they've gone completely clean, which I think is absolutely amazing. But they've gone to the effort of completely rebranding because they're so passionate about being a clean brand. So it still contains these amazing ingredients that they researched in Switzerland. So it's the Swiss glacier water, Swiss aronia berries, and Swiss stone pine. But this one also contains really lightweight oils. So you've got sunflower oil, macadamia oil, and jojoba oil. And they all blend really easily into the skin. So it's very lightweight hydration. Again, this one's good for all skin types. And I just recommend incorporating this into your current regime. So you could apply it on its own, but you could also apply it underneath your current night cream. So it's just going to add that extra layer of hydration, and you'll really notice a difference if you start using an oil when you wake up the next day. So while we're talking about nighttime treatments, another really gorgeous one is this one by Mourad that I just discovered. It's their Night Fix enzyme treatment. And this one contains a peptide, so an anti-aging ingredient. It also contains 3 enzymes derived from algae, and it's designed to be really relaxing before bedtime. So it has a really relaxing scent that's cedarwood, lemon, and violet. So when you apply it just before bed, you want to just get a little pump on your hand, and then I'll just smooth it onto the skin after my night cream. And they recommend on the box that you kind of breathe it in, take some deep breaths when you apply it, sort of like a ritual, and I absolutely love it. It just really is so relaxing just before you go to sleep. So that's a really gorgeous one just to incorporate into your regime. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and it's going to help with the tone of your skin, so you should wake up with really rejuvenated skin the next day. And an area that you should definitely not neglect during the winter time as well is your eye area, your delicate eye area. I've been testing out this Rodan & Fields eye gel, and it's called their Active Hydration Gel. And this one is really great for brightening the eye area. It's a really light texture, so you can use it under your makeup, so during the day, or you can use it at night, and you can even layer it underneath your existing eye cream. But it has some beautiful brightening ingredients. You've got hyaluronic acid and glycerin in there that can be really hydrating, and it's designed to help with all of those concerns that we have around the eye area, so puffiness, dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles. This one's a really good one to incorporate, even if you already have an eye cream. Apply this one first and you'll be amazed how much brighter the under eye area will look. Now, during the winter months, you definitely don't want to neglect exfoliation. It's going to be absolutely key on keeping your skin looking really radiant and never looking dull and dry. So I really recommend incorporating a regular exfoliator, but also doing a treatment 2 or 3 times a week like this one. This is the Balancing Charcoal Mask by Beauty Counter. And it's absolutely great at drawing out any impurities, any oil in the skin. You've got kaolin clay in there. You've also got the bamboo charcoal, and you've got salicylic acid that's going to help to gently exfoliate the skin. And I just love this one. You throw it on, you look a little bit crazy for 10 minutes, you see the oil visibly coming out of your pores, and there's something sort of really weirdly satisfying about that. And you want to use this about 2 or 3 times a week, and your skin just looks really radiant and really clear. Your pores are reduced. It's just a really good one to use throughout the winter. Now, I don't know about you, but during the winter months, I still like to have a little bit of a glow to my skin. So it's really hard to find a really good face tanning product. And I found a really good solution. It's completely foolproof. Anyone could use it. It's a facial mist by Saint-Tropez. And this is their purity range, so it's completely clear. You literally just mist this product all over your face and it will give you a lovely radiant glow throughout the winter. I just throw it on as a sort of last step before I go to bed. I incorporate my other skincare products as well. Doesn't seem to affect it. I still wake up with a really lovely, subtle glow to my skin. It's a completely natural DHA. You've also got a really gorgeous scent to this one. Definitely no hint of that horrible fake tan smell. I think it contains, mandarin water and hibiscus flower extract. It smells absolutely gorgeous. It smells like you're on a tropical island, which is much better than that horrible old biscuit smell that you normally get with a fake tan. So I really recommend this one if you just want to keep a little subtle glow to the skin during the winter. Now finally, I've got a body product, and this one I am so excited to share with you. It's the Lord Jones High CBD Body Lotion. And this one is designed to help with any aches and pains. It's gonna help to really relax the body, and it's also really, really hydrating. And CBD, if you don't know what that is short for cannabidiol. And there's been some incredible research on what CBD can do medically to relax you. It's to help with anxiety. It can help with aches and pains, muscle pains. And I had a sort of back pain the other day, and I thought, oh, I'll test it out. And you just need like a tiny little pump of the product. And it really, really helped with my back pain. I immediately felt like the twinge was gone, and I just felt really, really relaxed. So I really recommend trying this one, especially during the winter months when you're a little bit more creaky. You might be doing more sort of winter sports. You might feel a bit more of those aches and pains during that cold weather. So I really recommend trying this one. And just in general, even if you don't have any specific aches and pains, this one's just super relaxing. A friend of mine actually gave me a recommendation as well, which is that you should put it on your feet before you wear high heels to any of your festive parties. So there's a little tip for you. So all you do is just get 1 or 2 pumps of the product. You don't need a lot. And it's going to give you exactly the right milligrams of the CBD. And also something to think about is CBD, don't be afraid of it. It's not going to make you high. It's not going to sort of have any kind of psychoactive element to it. It's literally just going to relax the body. And this one's hemp derived as well, so you don't need to worry. It's totally legal. You can buy it in Sephora. And it's just a really good solution if you do have aches and pains, and if you just want to really soothe your body at the end of the day. Just apply a little bit of this before bed. So it's the Lord Jones High CBD Pain and Wellness Body Lotion. So that's about it. Those are my top winter skincare picks for this year. I really hope you've enjoyed watching as much as I did trying and testing out the products. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.